Creating great-looking, mobile-responsive emails is so easy with Constant Contact. In fact, it can be broken down into just 2 steps: choosing a template and customizing it. First, click Create, then click Email. Scroll through the list of mobile-responsive options and pick one that you like best. The layout, colors, and pictures in any template can be changed. Once you're in the editor, creating your email is easy. Click the header to edit your subject line and from email address. You can also add a pre-header, which displays immediately after the subject line in your contacts inbox. Once you're finished with your header, let's move on to the design. All the blocks in your template can be moved by clicking and dragging. The magenta lines show you where your block will end up when dropped. Just click on a block to edit it and start adding your content. To add your images, click the Images tab. Here you'll see all of the images you've uploaded to your library. If you haven't uploaded any yet, click Upload. Once you have images uploaded, drag them anywhere into your email. You can either drag them onto the placeholders or directly into your template. To change the colors in your email, click Design. Here you can add or change background patterns and colors. Change the background color by clicking the swatch. If you have specific brand colors, click More Colors to add custom hex numbers. Scrolling down, you can adjust global fonts and colors. Try out different font types and sizes with just a few clicks. A little further down, click the swatches to change the colors of buttons, dividers, and headlines. When you're finished creating your email, click Continue to head over to the Schedule page. And that's how easy it is to create your emails with Constant Contact.